you may notice that I keep hitting cancel and I keep getting a debug error. So I'm going to show you exactly what's going on there and exactly what we can do to make up for that. This happens sometimes when you're using input boxes and you haven't given it the information of what to do with a canceled command. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's hit either cancel or the X button or the escape on my keyboard. They will all lead to the same result. It's going to say there's a runtime error 13. There's a type mismatch. So let's hit debug. Basically, it's went ahead and tried to continue running its commands even though the input box resulted in something that's empty. So it's kind of getting mad at you there. So let's tell it what to do there. A couple things you could do. You could say on error resume next, and we'll talk more about that in a later video. But this line of code where you say on error resume next, that basically tells the workbook to keep on going even if it results in something that it doesn't like. For example, someone cancels out of an input box. So we're going to cancel out of it, and it's going to resume next. It's going to keep going, basically. Even though my IB1 is empty, it's going to go ahead and keep going. So right below that, let's compensate. Let's say if my IB1 equals empty, meaning they close it out, then exit sub. So exit sub is how we will close out of this macro prematurely. So we're using a one-liner if statement. If my IB1 equals empty, if there's nothing in there, then go ahead and close this sub procedure. So let's hit F8, and sure enough it is empty, so exit the sub. And it just closes out prematurely. And we'll put that right next to there, and we should be okay then. So let's try this one more time, and I will hit cancel. And so it's exited the sub and everything is well. So that's how to handle that error.